Hi, I'm Dr. Bauer. I'm a physical therapist here at RunLab in Austin, Texas. Today I'm going to talk to you about foam rolling or rolling out with a lacrosse ball, your glutes. So you have two major glute muscles that we use during running. One is your glute med. It sits right here on the outside of the hip. It's responsible for keeping your hips level when you're standing. And guess what? We're doing that a lot when we're running, one hip at a time. The second muscle, the glute max, is the big butt muscle that most people are familiar with. And what that is responsible for doing is extending your hip back this way, which is something we also do a lot when we run. So, how we're going to set this up, we're going to take a lacrosse ball, put it on the ground, and kind of lay on the side of our hip here, with our other leg up and over across here. And it's a very sensitive muscle on the side of the hip here, so just be careful. But again, we're going to roll up and down, just small, couple of inches here, and side to side. You can also roll in a circle, and go the other way as well. Now, for the glute max, we have to position a little bit differently. We're actually going to kind of sit right on that ball. Again, allowing as much gravity as we can tolerate with this. And the glute max is a much larger muscle, so make sure that you go a little bit further down. Maybe we're talking about 4 or 5 inches here. Up and down, side to side. And again, you can do circles as well.